So here is the Bigwin coming in from its 1.5 hour, 1 o'clock cruise out of here. We're I'm in Dorset right now, and this is a beehive of activity. This little dock area, town dock. And here comes the Bigwin, SS Bigwin. So these boats, one of the few remaining, would take people from this little village out to the resorts that were on the islands. But it has not been operational for years, and the woman just told me they just finally got it up and going last September. It's like a big toy boat. Comes in pretty slow. Beautiful boat. Oh, this lady here runs the museum too and sells tickets. Look at that beautifully painted hull. Not a scratch on it. But those fenders don't look antique. There we have it. Lovely, eh? There's the captain. There you go. On that note, oh, there's the Ontario flag on the back. See the red flag with the Union Jack? That's the flag of the province of Ontario. There we go.